job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Good morning. And guys, today this is my Xbox turn on. And guys, today morning I actually went to write my name. I have a very big announcement right now. I'm going to tell you guys right now. I written my name for a driving class. Like I'm going for driving class, but now they give me some book to study for this stuff in the road. Like they will tell you turn right, turn left, that. So I have to learn those stuff. And until now I have not have my place for my mic, so just holding it on my hand. So I'm going to buy that soon for the stand for my mic. Maybe today I'm going to do it with my father if he can help me. So tonight actually. So before I start, and today guys, I'm going to do for my cousin Sophia. When she was in Dubai, she actually told me to do for her one of this what's the name, one of the a spinner that have a spinner. So go and do a head dropping. So I'm not going to do a head dropping one. I'm actually going to do the change the color with some spray. And yeah, so before I start this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you guys can see it. So I'm going to buy as soon as possible something for my camera to attach to it, so never in my life will hold it in my hand. So yeah, so see you guys there. Peace. Okay guys, I'm in the washroom right now, but as you can see, this spinner, I'm going to give it to Sophia. So I'm going to change the color of it. So I have some spinning stuff. One here, one this one. I think this is green and blue and red. So I'm going to change the color right now. So let's jump into it. So I'm going to change the color. I have to swipe up to my camera to change the camera to the other side. Alright guys, I'm not using the mic right now because the mic I have to hold it and hold it, so I have to buy something for it. So here's the spinner. Let's change the color. I don't even have gloves. Okay, bismillah. Okay, I have to show you guys that I'm changing it, right? So wait, I'll be back right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to change the camera of this, the color of this, but I cannot with my phone camera, I cannot record it. So I'm going to bring my GoPro. I hope it will be on. Yep, it's on. So I'll bring my GoPro, keep it somewhere so you guys can see it. Wait, I have a great idea. What if I bring this chair over here? And settle down this one. No. Let's wait, I'll keep it right here. This chair is useless. Okay, let's keep this chair here. But you guys can see it perfectly, right? And actually guys, I don't even have a gloves on my hand, so it will be a little dirty. So let's start. You guys can see my face and also this one. Okay, let's start. I think this is green. Let's start with green. put some red on it. Right here, some S. It means Sophia, right? Oh, I can write this, but just let's make it like this. Alright, that's a dot, and I have to use my finger. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my god, my finger will be so colory. Okay, flip it and grab blue. Let's make some blue here, some blue here, and mix colors. Alright, so let's stop the camera. Alright, so guys, we have to wait for it until it get dry. So I'll be back until it will get dry. So see you guys there when it get dry. But maybe I can do it a little faster. So catch you there.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, this is the spinner. I've done it. So it's red and blue, but I don't know why I cannot spin it properly. I'm going to fix that, Sophia. Sophia, I know you're watching this video. I'm going to fix that. And guys, tomorrow I'm going to do a crazy thing. But on Friday, I'm going to do something like this. Maybe hair dropping or changing color maybe. Let me go and show you guys. Close the door here. Beautiful. Let me close the light here. Sorry if you cannot find me. So this is the spinner, and next time that I'm going to do it is actually my hoverboard. I'm going to remove this top of it to change the color, except to be gold. So oops. Whoa. So guys, I actually not using my mic right now because the mic I have to attach it to something, so I'm not using that yet. Oh shit. Let me close the door. Because of the sun. So as I was saying, because of the mic, my voice will not come properly. Come properly, but I have to attach to it. So let me see what's the problem of this. Oh guys, I forgot to put this one on it, like to just make the spinner to be turning, not. When I put my finger, there will be a lot of colors on my finger. Wait, I'm going to fix that, guys, for you. Sophia, I'm going to fix that for you. Don't worry. I'm going to fix that for you to be perfect. Let me put some alcohol. Where's the spinner? Oh, sorry guys. So guys, if you guys cannot fix it, improvise. Just clean it on the place that you're going to spin. To take some black stuff from it. Remove it, circle it. Here we go, you see? Now it's circled properly, right? Here and other side as well. Okay. It's look like oil. Right, now put this down. What can I do to my hand then? Wait, I have to fix something there. Let me bring these two together to go make some alcohol on it. guys, something you cannot do, just improvise. Just killing on it. Not my table. There you go. Okay guys, let's go to the bathroom because I think it's still wet. Let's go to here. Let's do it. I don't know what's the problem. But alright, here we go. Now, let me just, guys, sorry, I have to keep you guys right here because I have to fix this. Guys, every time you want to do something like this, just wear some gloves because maybe the pencil is stuck in your finger. And then the stuff you can do, you can also or if you want to try, ask your parents first. Then do it when you want to. Sophia, I fix it for you. Now you can use this anytime you want. But wait, still. That's the way you move it. But let me wear gloves every day. Let's remember that. Oh, it's so cool. This thing is make it warm, to be sticky. Okay, now Sophia, see, it's now not sticky, so we can play it and turn on. So Sophia, this is for you, but I'm telling you that don't use it too much because it makes a lot of sound. Just keep it for design, or just keep it somewhere and remember that. Like you see, this will come in your pill box. So guys, I'm going to make this one in a box and with some other stuff that Sophia, I'm going to send it to her. So yeah, so I hope so you guys liked this video, and as always, Kian Mo is out, yo. Peace.